Hey, Jelly Beans, John coming back at you for another unboxing. Oh my, if you know what I mean, Jelly Beans. Yeah. Today is December 20th, 2024. Oh my. So, Jelly Beans. Oh, what do I got here? Another die-cast unboxing. And Dark Iron Collectibles. Yeah, this is who this is from. Dark Iron Collectibles. Yeah. So I'll get right back. Alright, Jelly Beans, I am back. Box from Dark Iron Collectibles. Let's open this puppy up. See what we got. I just got done work. I'll be working during the Christmas break. See what we got up in here. What do I have? What do I have? Yeah, it's snowing too. We got getting our first snowfall of the season. Oh, what am I doing? I got my keys right here. Derp, derp. Why didn't I think of that the first time? No! You're falling. You're falling. Ah, there we go. Ruppy, ruppy. Oh, yes. Oh, what do we got here? Warriors of Virtue. I don't know anything about this. Looks pretty cool though. I actually won this in what do you call it? Drag races that Dark Iron has on Friday nights. Yeah, buddy. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I don't know what it is. Warriors of Virtue. If anybody knows, please let me know. So, alright, he gave me a bag. No, it's not a box of bag lunch. Ooh, that's, oh, nice, hot rod there. Pretty sweet. I like that. Thank you very much. I know just a person to give this to. It's a pretty cool looking car. Oh yeah. Okay, looks like a movable parts. Check out this Woody's wagon. Nicey, nicey. I like that a lot. Check out that Roadster. Very nice Roadster. Yeah, it's rubber tires. Oh yeah. Very nice Roadster. I like that. And here is my trophy the real trophy that was supposed to get a couple weeks ago, but he didn't have any trophies. Here's my real trophy. That's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. I like that. So thank you all for watching. If you like, please like, share it, and subscribe. Have a good day. Peace.